welcome back to Bowl of Recipes. Today I'm going to make bread chaat. Let's start with the ingredients. I have taken potato, carrot, onion, capsicum, beans and chili. I have also taken 5 loaves of bread and cut it into quadrant pieces. I have also taken white oil, sugar, salt, tomato sauce. For garnishing I have taken chaat masala, bhujia and fried eggs. Now I am going to pour 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil into the pan. Then I am going to fry the pieces of bread in it. Now I am going to keep the bread pieces aside. Now I am going to pour some white oil again into the pan and fry the pieces of onion until it turns red brown. Now the onions have turned red brown, so I am going to add the rest of the veggies into the pan along with some salt. Now let's see. So now I am going to add some bread pieces as well as some tomato sauce into the pan.